Burma, Rangoon, Naypyidaw, Bay of Bengal, Thailand, Bangkok, Andaman Sea, Gulf of Thailand, Laos, Vientiane, Cambodia, Phnom Penh, Vietnam, Hanoi, Gulf of Tonkin, Brunei, Begawan, Malaysian Isles, Kuala Lumpur, Singapore with same capital, Indonesia, Jakarta, Java, Flores, Banda Sea, Arafura Sea, Gulf of Tomini, Timor-Leste, Delhi capital, Timor Sea, Philippine Archipelago, Manila capital, Sulu Sea, Celebes Sea, Philippine Sea, Southeast Asia.